Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I don't give a fuck. So a few days back I was in Dollar Tree and I came across some lashes. So backstory, I knew Dollar Tree sells, is it Tony or Ioni? I thought it was Tony, but it looks like it's Ioni lashes. I've got them in the past. Honestly, for Dollar Tree, like, they're not bad. They're like basic little lashes, whatever. They got a little wispiness to them and all that. So I'm in the beauty aisle and I end up coming across the lashes and I see these lovelies. Individual clusters that I never seen before at Dollar Tree. And let me tell you, look up close. They are like long wispies, 3D curled, and they actually look lit. Like, they look nice. They look cute. The wispiness, the fluffiness. I was like, wait, hold on. I'm gonna try these because for $1, like, and I just seen this like TikTok that was like how to fake eyelash extensions and like put the individual clusters underneath your lash line. So I went ahead and grabbed them, and then I realized they have different sizes. So I thought, okay, let me grab one that's a little shorter as well. And we could like do a fard lash look, or at least we could try it. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna get up close and personal. I hope I don't struggle today with the lashes. Oh, I broke a nail. Hold on, let me get the longer ones first. It's Merlot, by the way. Zam. Go off. Let's pull her off. I have this random LA Colors glue, which kind of fits the theme because it's super cheap. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Me and Mr. I'm getting along so good. Well, that didn't work. Holy crap. Period. Let's keep going. Actually, I'm going to do a shorter one next. Nice little short guy. Short guys are nice. Never mind. This is kind of crazy. Putting them below the lash line instead of sitting them on top is going okay, but I feel like they're not that secured there. But we have our second long one. I did not get that one on there super good. Time for short again. So this one I did kind of put on top. I was over trying to stick them underneath, so I went from the top to stick it on. Regardless of how this video turns out, I can already tell these dollar lash clusters are super, super worth it. That is the third long one for this look. For this eye. I'm going to try to do one more short one on the inner corner if my eye can take it. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys. Literally, overall, easy application process, especially considering I'm sipping right now. I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. This eye is a little bit janky. I'm not going to lie. Doesn't really compare to the original. But you know what? Just like I said earlier in the video, I knew early on that these lashes were going to be worth it because they look very wispy and not like super plasticky lashes. So yeah, if you want to pull off like a subtle, wispy, pretty eyelash look and you're on a budget, these at Dollar Tree... Oh, you need a tissue. I would say these lash clusters are 100% worth it. So check out my good eye. Doesn't get too much better than that for $1, guys. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you next time.
Cut.